Hey guys, welcome back, or welcome to my channel if you guys are new here. My name is Mackenzie. Dude, my hand really fucking hurts. Look, it's like all swollen.
Yeah, because you punched the shit out of that thing. They're proud of you.
Anyway, today is Sunday. Now that I'm not in school, I have come to love Sundays. They are the best day, I think. There's just so much opportunity for reset, for goals and stuff like that, and I really, really like them. Now that I'm not in school and don't have necessarily due dates for homework and stuff.
Must be nice.
With that being said, you're just the voice in the background. With that being said, today I'm doing a reset routine. Kind of just what I do on Sundays. It changes depending on the Sunday. Obviously, I don't do this like every single Sunday because schedules change and everything. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what realistically I would do on a Sunday. This is nothing crazy. This is nothing that is like too much or too scary. I feel like anybody can do this kind of reset routine. It's not too daunting or
unachievable.
Anyone can do this. So with that being said, make sure you guys are subscribed and make sure you guys are following me on Instagram and TikTok, and let's go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, the bed is not made yet. I went to lunch today, so I couldn't do this in the morning, but Q and I have a rule. You want to tell them what the rule is? Come here.
You tell them.
Because
you denied it today.
I said I would do it when I get back, and look what I'm doing.
I'm talking to a camera, you weirdo.
Okay. Oh, we have a rule. Basically, the last one out of bed has to make the bed for the day. A lot of the time, that is me in bed the longest or like the latest because he will surf in the morning, he'll go to school or whatever. So most of the time, it is my duty to clean or to make the bed. Plus, I like to make the bed a certain way. That is what we're gonna do. We're gonna make the bed. We just cleaned the sheets this week, and normally on Sundays, like I would like cleaning the sheets and cleaning other parts of the linen and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and make this bed. So next I will basically go ahead and do whatever laundry is in the dryer or that needs to be done. I have a whole load of laundry that needs to be done, and we're going away this weekend, so it's kind of urgent that we get our laundry done. I'm gonna go take out what's in the dryer, switch loads, and then go ahead and fold. You guys know how to do laundry. I hope you do at least. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, next I'm gonna separate my laundry into lights, darks, mediums, and then throw that in the wash. Okay, actually while I'm in my closet, I'm actually gonna go through my closet. I do this quite often. Actually, sometimes I just need to like refresh because I don't always, wear these items, which brings us to today's sponsor, which is Poshmark. So if you haven't heard about Poshmark, you must be living under a rock because everyone uses them. I've been using them for, I don't even know, maybe a year now. I love listing my items on there that I sell. So I want to definitely use Poshmark this year to help shop for gifts for friends and family with like unique and secondhand items, just to shop a little bit more sustainably and feel better about my purchases. So that's why I love Poshmark. You can find vintage, home decor, deals on designer items. You basically can find anyone in your life gifts on Poshmark. I also love knowing that what I'm purchasing through Poshmark is going to have a positive impact on the environment. Just keeps my mind at ease. So you guys can use the link in my description to download the app for free and shop your favorite brands and styles at an affordable price. My goal is like at least 5 items. I mean, sometimes it's really hard for me to go through the closet, be like, okay, I really actually don't wear this. I feel like I hoard clothes a little bit, not gonna lie. That being said, let's go through the closet. I'm gonna put you guys somewhere else so you guys can see the process of me like filtering it out a lot easier. We are gonna go through and figure out what I do and do not wear. This will be a little fast motion portion. Some items. I found 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. And I think that's honestly all I'm going to do for today. I don't want to get too ahead of myself. I'm going to go ahead and put those in a separate bag to list on Poshmark. And that just helps like have a little bit more room. Perhaps new clothes or just to be able to like scooch around my clothes. I feel accomplished. Now I need to plan out my work week ahead because I have a lot of stuff to do, and again, like I said, I'm going away this weekend for my birthday, so that's on Thursday. So I need to plan out my work week, basically what I'm filming when and when I can edit and upload and due dates and brands and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. There's nothing I can really like talk to you guys about while I'm doing it, just because a lot of it is like not confidential necessarily, but just private. Time to bust out the good old planner. I showed you guys, did I show you guys November last month? I can't really remember what I showed you guys. I had a really busy month in November. Yeah, super busy. I only have my birthday put on the calendar, so I'm gonna go ahead and write out everything, due dates and stuff like that. I don't really have too many at the moment. Things are still developing, so I'm just gonna do what we can, and also record Vlogmas and stuff like that is also very important. Okay, so I just wrote out a little tiny grocery list. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and Target just to get a few things because I don't want to buy a whole new like refrigerator full of things because we're going away and I don't want to buy things and then like have it go to waste, even though we're really only gone for like 2.5 days. So yeah, I just don't want anything to go bad or like, you know, us not be able to eat it or like waste it. So I'm just gonna buy a few things just to hold us over for the next couple of days, mostly breakfast. I'm not really sure about dinners and stuff. I'm just gonna go to the grocery store and hope for the best. That's always bad, but. Okay, so I just left Trader's. I have my groceries back there. I'm gonna go to Target. Trader Joe's was a zoo. I hate going to Trader Joe's on Sundays. So a little pro tip, if you can avoid going to Trader Joe's on the weekend, that would be the best. Maybe do Mondays. It is crazy, and it's already a small store to begin with. Small store plus a Sunday is a lot. So I'm gonna stop vlogging and driving. I'm gonna go to Target and I'll see you there. If I thought Trader Joe's was busy, I can't imagine what I'm about to walk into at Target. Parking lot is absolutely full. There are so many people walking in and out. It's crazy. It's just the holiday season. Everyone is on another one. So let's hope and pray I don't buy anything I don't need. Let's say it together. We're manifesting that I don't buy anything I don't need. I'm prepared. Okay, I'm home. We're gonna go ahead and do a little grocery haul to show you guys what I got. So first from Target, I got some taquitos for Q. Then I got this true fruit. I've seen it everywhere on social media, and so I was like really curious about it. People love it. There's like a Lonely Ghost collab with true fruit. I don't really know. Some Good and Gather granola. Then some lunch meat, some eggs. Hopefully none of them cracked. Okay, we're good. We got 18 eggs because we fly through eggs in this household. Between Q and I, he has like 4 eggs every morning for breakfast. So I got just some arugula. Then I got a little gallon, or what is this? Carton of milk for Q. Some brown rice from Trader's. These are the best brown rice. They're like, you can microwave them. They're really, really good. And then I got some white rice because Q pretty much prefers white rice. We got some Go Macro bars, which are of my obsession. I got like 8 of them because Q and I share them, obviously. Then I got some romaine lettuce for Caesar salad. Got some heavy whipping cream, some straws, some teeny avocados. These are like the perfect size, I feel like. There comes with 6, and they're just like little baby avocados. As you guys know, some blueberries. I love how right now, at least, the blueberries are massive. I don't know if you guys can see that. I love that. And then some boring stuff. I got some dryer sheets. I got some sink cleaner, some Comet. This Everspring all-purpose cleaner, lemon and mint. Then I got some shave gel. This is from the brand Flamingo. I have their razor and I really like it. And then some everything bagels. Some vanilla Greek yogurt, my favorite thing to have in the morning. A new toothbrush because mine broke. And then a new mascara because mine broke. And then some little treats because my friend Nicole's coming over tonight. Sour strips. These are the best candy ever. They're so good, but they didn't have the only blue color, so they had to deal with rainbow. And then the infamous Christmas tree shape sugar cookie dough cookies. If you guys know about these are the best during the holiday season, and we'll probably make those tonight. So that's the little haul. I'm going to go ahead and put everything away. So you guys seen this before, but I'll show you guys a little montage again. Just to have a little bit of a light stock for the week ahead. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I lit all the candles as you guys just saw. I'm gonna go ahead and take a shower. I haven't washed my hair since Wednesday because I got it done and I lightened it a little bit. It's obviously dry, so I needed all like the oils and stuff like that. And I'm going to exfoliate my body. I have no self tanner on, so it feels good to exfoliate. I'm going to shave and stuff and just, you know, set myself up for a good week and clean. I might do a hair mask. I might do the Olaplex hair mask. Let me show you guys. It is honestly one of the best hair masks. You should ask for it for Christmas or something, or get somebody it for Christmas. It is the Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Looks like this. It's about the size of my hand. 3.3 fluid ounces. It is the best. I just use about 1 pump, 1.5 pumps maybe, on clean hair, on damp hair, and I leave it in for about 10 minutes. That's all it takes and stuff. And then while that's in, I'll shave and like do the rest. So I'm gonna do that. And yeah, I'm very excited because my hair just has so much buildup of dry shampoo and stuff and heat products. So I need to definitely reset my hair. Finish my skincare, and I'm gonna use some products. I will be posting like a morning routine with the skincare that I use or have been using as of recently. I'm just gonna skip this part so I can save it for the morning routine. Okay, skincare done. You can see my face is so moisturized and I feel so put together. Okay, now I'm just hanging out in my robe, but I'm going to go finish the laundry that is in the dryer and stuff, and you know, spend some time doing a little bit of laundry, and then I'm gonna make dinner. I just spent the last but maybe hour on TikTok and Instagram and stuff. My hair is kind of dried. I let it out of the like towel thing. For some reason I don't have any appetite right now, and I don't really know what's going on because it's like 7:30 and I still haven't eaten dinner, but I mean, I don't really have an appetite. Like nothing sounds good. And I don't really feel hungry, so I'm just like not gonna eat because I just think I need to eat because it's dinner time when I'm not actually hungry. Anyway, I was watching Valentine's Day also. Don't ask me why. It just seemed like a background movie I could put on, whatever. Kate should be home sometime soon, and then Nicole's gonna come over. We're probably gonna watch Vanderpump Rules and stuff, make cookies, you know, the whole little Sunday evening. I might have a glass of wine, who knows? That's the small little update. I am in comfy clothes now. I am wearing just this big Penn State hoodie, and then some just Amazon yoga pants. I was trying to do, this kind of Sunday resets kind of just turned into a Sunday vlog, but I was trying to do, so if you guys are on TikTok, you know that You're a Jerk is literally trending right now, and that was like a song when I was in like 3rd or 4th grade. Everyone was, "You're a jerk, I know. You're a jerk, I know." Everyone was singing it in my middle school and elementary school. Anyway, I just tried to do it, and I feel like I'm good at it, but like I post on TikTok like, please somebody tell me if I'm good at it, and everyone's like, "Oh babe." I'm like, so if you guys want to see me actually jerk, please go to my TikTok and follow me while you're there. Just wait for my friends to get home, maybe start editing this vlog.